A lot of outdoorsmen have tons of toys. UTVs, ATVs, trucks, boats, lawnmowers, you name it, they have it. I'm no different. The TNB crew's no different. But this is, I would say this is my most used piece of equipment of all. It's a little tracker off-road electric cart. But to make it something that you're going to use all the time, what I did is I used some 2x8s and I built a little box and dropped the box right into the back. So now I can use it as a hauler also. So my wife and I like to plant trees. We plant a lot of apple trees and oak trees and things like that. I use this for checking my deer cameras in the fall. And the fact that it's quiet is a big deal. You know, I've actually ran up on wolves. That was a scary thing. I almost ran into a bear coming around a corner one day, another scary situation. But deer, bobcats, grouse, woodcock, I mean, there's so many different animals that you get to see compared to a gas engine vehicle. So it makes your whole experience more enjoyable. So between the hauling, between the quietness, and between the fact that you can see so much wildlife and the utilitarian use for gardening and farming and all those things, this has no doubt become my most used piece of equipment.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.